Okay, so we finally figured out how to open these doors to this room. If he wants to believe that he did it, that's fine. Listen to that. That is rain. It's so peaceful and serene. It sounds like white noise music that you hear on a CD. Except we have it here live. Look at Jamal. You hear the birds? He's crazy. This is right outside our room. It can't get any better than this.
Never been so happy for rain on vacation before.
Yes. And it's very warm out here. It's literally like being in the Amazon somewhere, rainforest. Nature, such a beautiful thing.
And one thing, I made all this happen for you, baby. I had a hook up in heaven. I said, go on, make it rain.
He's special, isn't he?
Make it rain.
He's got the power. Starting to slow down.
It better because we're about to go to the bar pool.
Anything else you want to say?
No. Peace.
Peace.